This is Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and of course with four-wheel drive capabilities. Also coming with the Black Diamond off-road package, giving you these decals here on the sides and on the hood. That's a sort of anti-glare thing. Also giving you underbody protection and these unique rims. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we've got a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded, and underneath the rugged cargo floor you've got your full-size spare, and on either side you've got these tie-down points so you can hook your stuff in, 12-volt power outlet, and then the button to activate your hatch lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. Then looking into the back seat, where you've got comfortable seating for three with a partial navy Pier blue leather and cloth, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and then the backs of the seats have zippered pouches for storage, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And then in the middle you have a 110-volt power outlet with a USB and USB-C. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your fuel economy, trip information, tire pressures, and now playing. You can also go through other settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards and auto start stop shut off. Then you've got this little tray area here, and your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Down below that, you've got this tray area with a 12-volt power outlet, USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. And then your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And last but not least, your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.